Friends, I being a gynecologist, many of our fertility patients who come to us for the treatment, or many of the people who wish to have a baby, or they are planning to have a baby, they ask, sir, does this vaccination will have a problem in our treatment? That means, will it affect our fertility potential, or will it affect our future baby? Then the answer to this question is that it is totally safe for the people who are going to go for the fertility treatment, or who are planning for the baby. But if you have got the time, you better wait for the 2 doses to get completed, and then plan for the fertility treatment or plan for the baby. But this vaccine per se doesn't give reduces your fertility potential in the male as well as female. It definitely doesn't affect the function of the spermatozoa or the sperms, by which way it will not reduce the any fertility potential of male also. So it is definitely recommended for the people who are planning for the baby or planning for the fertility treatment. Then the second question comes from the pregnant ladies. Sir, is it safe to have the vaccine for us since we are having a pregnancy? At the same time, many females or the many women who are lactating their babies, then they have got also the same question. Then the answer to this question is that the data regarding the safety of this vaccine in a pregnant and lactating lady is very limited. Whatever the studies which are conducted in the foreign countries, and out of that data, it has been proved that there is no side effect of this vaccine in pregnant ladies or the lactating woman. But still, more data is awaited, since there are many females who have received the vaccine has not yet delivered. So we are not really having a more data on this subject. Still, the benefit of this vaccination in the pregnant lady has to be explained to that particular pregnant lady, and the main aim of this vaccination in the pregnant lady is to prevent her from this serious disease of COVID-19, and which is, I think, is a very important aim of this COVID vaccination, which should be explained to her in a proper way. And then the decision of choosing whether she should take the vaccine or not, it is left to that particular pregnant lady. But it is definitely recommended in females who are health workers, that means ladies doctors, ladies sisters and ladies nurses, and females who are working in a public sectors and they are pregnant. They are more prone to get contracted this disease. So it is definitely advisable for them, even if they are pregnant, they should take the coronavirus vaccination and remain away from this COVID-19 infection. Then if any lactating mother take this COVID vaccination, then she will have antibodies in her milk, which in other way have a good effect in having a good immunity in her baby via milk. So her baby is also protected. So our FIGO and the FOXI, these are the two main organizations at national and international level. They recommend vaccination in a pregnant ladies and lactating mother who are in a high risk zone, and they also recommend that this decision has to be left of that particular woman who is pregnant or lactating, after explaining the benefits or the risks. So this is the answer to this question. If you like this videos, all the information in this video, please like it and subscribe our channel and share with all your friends and the needy people. Thank you very much.